We have done an event where we created posters and they were all translated into Welsh. So when we were putting them out to promote the event, everything was done in Welsh and English. The students on the HND course, we're hoping to take them on a visit to a distillery to do their aromatherapy, which is based in Wales, which is in Lampeter area. So that again is promoting Welsh culture, the facilities that they have in Wales, so students can actually visit these areas in relation to the courses that they're doing.